Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Poonam Yadav from Surat School Rewari. In 7th class, I want to explain your chapter Rocks and Minerals. This is the second part of your chapter. I explained first part in previous video. Second part is start now. Now we will learn about sedimentary rocks. Have you ever noticed rocks which have granules and distinct layers? Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. They are formed from fragments of other rocks. When mud, sand and debris get compressed or cemented in layers, then they form sedimentary rocks. Look at this picture. This is sedimentary rocks. इस तरह लेयर बननी शुरू हो जाती है बेटा, मड यानी कीचड़, मिट्टी और डेब्रिस यानी कि कीचड़, इन सब चीज़ों से जब पत्थर, मड, कीचड़ और मिट्टी जब ये एक साथ इकट्ठे होते हैं, लेयर बनाते हैं और ये सीमेंटेड लेयर होती है, दे फॉर्म सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. लुक एट दिस. These rocks are constantly exposed to wind, rain, heat and cold, and as a result they get worn down. The finest materials are carried away to greater distances and finally settled as mud to eventually become sedimentary rocks such as sandstone, conglomerate and shell. These are the example of sedimentary rocks. Now next one is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks undergo metamorphosis, a complete change in the physical and chemical characteristics of the rocks take place. Rocks that are subjected to intense heat and pressure undergo a change in their chemical composition. This changes their mineral content. They also change in their physical appearance and became a totally new rock with no resemblance to what they used to be like. Such rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Look at this picture. This is slate. दिस इज द स्लेट एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक का एग्जाम्पल है बेटा. ये मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स कब होती है? अंडरगो मेटाफॉर्सिस, यानी कि कंप्लीट चेंज हो जाता है फिजिकल और केमिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द रॉक्स. जब फिजिकल और केमिकल चेंज होता है तो हमारे पास एक न्यू रॉक बन के आती है, एक नई रॉक बन के आती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. उसके बाद आती है बेटा आपकी रॉक साइकिल. Rock cycle describes the transition that all the three types of rocks undergo. All types of rocks get altered or destroyed when they are forced out of their equilibrium conditions. जब ये तीनों रॉक्स चेंज होती हैं उसको बोलते हैं बेटा रॉक साइकिल. लुक एट दिस डायग्राम. इस डायग्राम में आप देखो मैग्मा से इग्नियस रॉक्स, उससे फिर सेडिमेंट्स और फिर सेडिमेंट्री और फिर लास्ट में आती है मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. लुक एट दिस डायग्राम आई मेड, आई थिंक इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. The continual cycle that involves the process of destruction and recreation of rocks is known as rock cycle. Sediments from sedimentary rocks which may be crushed at the roots of mountains. This leads to the formation of metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks may melt with heat and later become solid to form igneous rocks. All rocks crumble when exposed to pressure and their debris forms sedimentary rocks. जब rocks में change होता है बेटा आपस में तो ये rock cycle बनती है. I want to explain you exercise. Look at this. The dash is the thinnest layer of the earth. Earth की सबसे thinnest layer क्या है बेटा? Crust. The core has a dash outer layer. जो core है उसकी outer layer क्या है बेटा? वो outer core. The core has a outer core or outer layer. Third one is metals are found in dash present in the rocks. Metals कहाँ मिलते हैं बेटा? Metals are found in igneous rocks. Dash rocks arise from the change in form of existing rocks. कौन सी rock है जो change होती है बेटा, बनती है? वो है metamorphic rocks. Next one is slate is an example of metamorphic rocks. Slate किसका example है बेटा? Metamorphic rocks का. Next, choose the correct option. This rock is formed by rock fragments. Answer is metamorphic rock. Internal heat of the earth is located and circulated in this layer. किस लेयर में होती है बेटा? जो इंटरनल हीट होती है अर्थ की, किस लेयर में सर्कुलेट होती है? वो लेयर है मेंटल. This is an igneous rock, granite. Granite is the example of igneous rock. The material found in the mantle are in this state. जो मेंटल है उसमें अगर हमें मटेरियल मिलता है तो किस फॉर्म में मिलता है बेटा? लिक्विड फॉर्म में मिलता है. द साइकिल दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द ट्रांजिशन दैट ऑल रॉक्स अंडरगो मीन्स जो ज़मीन के नीचे जो रॉक्स होती है उनमें ट्रांजिशन होता है, वो कौन सी क्या साइकिल है वो बेटा? दिस इज रॉक साइकिल. Question number 1 is name the 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle, core. What happens to rocks that are exposed to intense heat and pressure? क्या होता है बेटा? तो the rocks that are exposed to intense heat and pressure is known as metamorphic rocks. Name one sedimentary rock. Sandstone. Sandstone is the example of sedimentary rocks. Name 2 metamorphic rocks. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स के 2 एग्जाम्पल दीजिए, स्लेट एंड मार्बल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज नेम 1 igneous rock. Obsidian. Obsidian is an example of igneous rock. So here your chapter ends. I hope you will learn more about your chapter number 2, geography, land, rocks and minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.